In this session, we're talking about the migration trifecta, how to move fast, shift budget, and deploy AI. Google has an easy 4-step migration methodology that includes assessment, planning, migration, and then innovation. For assessment, we have our free migration center available to deploy in your environment, to understand your workloads, and to know what you need to migrate. During the planning phase, we have our workload migration planner, which will help you understand where those workloads need to land. And then, of course, it's time to migrate. We have tools like our storage transfer service, also our migrate to VM. We have tools for databases and Spanner, including tools like hybrid subnets, which allow you to maintain IP addressing as you migrate. And then, of course, it's time to innovate, whether it's with tools like Gemini CLI or Gemini Code Assist, or even some mainframe modernization tools. These will help you innovate faster. And in addition to this easy, structured migration methodology, we have funding programs available to help you get started. Just search for Google Cloud Ramp for more information. And if you need to move faster, we have support from professional services and our partners to help you on this journey. Thank you for listening, and check out the session for more information.